Welcome to this class. Namaste. Start laying down on the floor. Place your hands on the lower part of your abdomen. Feel this natural curve of your lumbar. Inhale and expand your abdominal area. And when you exhale, do a retroversion. Table in. Inhale, expand, curve your lumbar. And exhale, place your lumbar on the floor, doing the retroversion and anteversion. Bring the whole air on your abdominal area. Just breathing with this part of your body. Now place the lumbar and legs on 90 degrees. Extend your arms, inhale and exhale. Tint your chest, lengthen your spine. Activate your abdomen and pelvic floor and hold. Place the whole back, hands over your buttocks, under the buttocks, and start cycling with both legs. Big circles. The lumbar extended on the floor. And change the direction of the circles. Inhale and exhale deeply, maintaining your abdominal area activated. Again, legs on 90 degrees and extended with no curve on your lumbar. When you extend, maintain your control of your body, of your lumbar, of your abdomen, of your breathing. Stay in this moment, fixing your attention to everything. 90 degrees with your knees and your hips. And just start putting your right feet on the floor. When you flex your body, inhale and exhale and change. Left leg with your pointed feet touching the floor with no curve on your lumbar. If it's pain on your neck, don't lift up the upper back. Now both legs at the same time. You do a flexion. Don't feel any curve on your lumbar. Inhale deeply, exhale, and hug your legs. Extend both legs. On the floor, extend your arms. And exhaling, go up. And we're going to start walking with your hips, with your legs straightened. And now, walk forward towards the beginning of the mat and then backwards. Controlling the movement from your hips and your abdomen. Shoulders away of your ears. Lengthen spine and exhale, lift to the floor. Very active your abdomen. Try to move your body from your hips. Flexed feet. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, arms at your heart width. 8. Well done. Maintain the pose. Lift your right leg and hold. Now twist on your right when you exhale. Inhale on the middle, exhale on your right, and exhale. Pelvic floor in and up. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fold forward. Your back, releasing any tension. Relax the abdominal muscles. Exhale, roll back again. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale. Start with the same movement from your hips. Your hands are shoulders width. If you want to touch just the sacrum, you lean your body backwards, left leg up, and lean your body to the left when you exhale. Your head follow your arms on the movement. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale and exhale very deeply, relaxing your body. And roll your back again, straighten it. Place your feet on the floor, extend your arms. Shoulders height. Again, lift up your legs and try to extend. Maintain your point of balance on the coccyx. Abdomen very active, in, up. Open your chest. And relax. Extend arms, open your chest. And again, move in anteversion and retroversion. Table in, table out, table in. Now lift your body up on table pose. Press with your heels on the feet to lift your body up. Use the strength of your arms. Align your head with the shoulders and your hips, even your knees. Well done. Sit again on your knees. In quadrupedia, inhale, extend, and exhale, flex. Feel your full body work. Tiptoes on the floor. And when you exhale, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. And Urdhva Mukha. Exhale in Adho Mukha, inhale in Urdhva Mukha. Downward facing dog and upper facing dog. Use the strength of your arms, abdomen, and legs to move your body in harmony. Place your forearms on the floor, crown chakra on the floor. If you reach it, go walking and just lift up your right leg. Lift your weight to your forearms and head using your abdomen to make balance on your body, your respiration. And if you can, just move your body to your heels and relax. If you can, deep breathings are very useful on the whole practice. Place your hands, shoulders width, Extend both legs and go to plank. On your forearms and placing your hands. Go moving in control, always maintaining head, shoulders, and hips on the same line. Concentrate in this moment, your body and your mind working together. Stay in plank with your forearms and elevate right leg. And lift up left arm. Hold your balance and strength and change. Left leg up and right arm up. And go to plank again. And lean your body, hips on your right and on the left. Working the size of your abdomen, these little muscles, very important for your structure. Stop, inhale, and exhale. Place your legs on the floor, your knees, and sit on your heels. Inhale very deeply and exhale very, very deeply. One hand above the other, close it, place your forehead on it and relax the whole body. Use your abdominal breathing to bring calm. Extend both arms and very slowly you're gonna go to Cobra with your forearms on the floor, elbows close to your body. Inhale, exhale, place your hands if you can, lift a little bit up, buttocks very active. Exhaling, go to Balasana again. And walk to your right side, extended left side. Inhale and exhale, walk to your left side and feel your right side very open. Exhaling, go to Quadrupedia. Inhale, exhale, move your back. Feel the space on your chest, on your body, your mind. Take your pillow or your safu and sit over it in a comfortable pose. Hands on your abdomen, that it's having work in this session. Bring peace in this place of your body. Relax your mind, relax your eyes, your mouth, face, your legs, your pelvic floor, chest. Hands in Namaskar. Be grateful. Namaste.